Now, I'd like you to think of the two. Those are the two: innumerability and infiniteness. Talking of the second one, infiniteness is the one you need to comprehend. Contemplation is necessary for you to distinguish the difference between the two: infiniteness and innumerability. As one of human beings who is willing to contemplate, I'd like you to first philosophize the three quintessential questions. First, where you're from originally. Second, where you're standing upon now. And third, where are you going eventually? Why do you have to philosophize the concept of infiniteness? As a being who possesses thinking ability, you were guided to go forth under the aspects of infiniteness. Whether you understand the concept of infiniteness or not, you have the totally different quality of contemplation. I'd like you to read philosophical poems. Anytime, anywhere, when you read a piece of philosophical poetry, this gives you an opportunity to deepen the meaning of your life. It is pretty essential for you to differentiate between the two: innumerability and infiniteness. It is not a matter for you to count how many there are somewhere as for those which you are interested in. This is the very matter of no limits. It is impossible for you to count how many there. It is a matter of how you pursue the essence and the absolute truth as a matter of the infinite. When you have a day to wake up in the presence of infiniteness, you shall have glorious days, salivally. There is a meaning for you to be in the presence of philosophical poetry. I'd like you to continue reading and appreciating philosophical poems ad infinitum. The lecture should be finished now.